Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. My old subscriber, thumbs up to you. And if this is your first time of seeing this amazing face, you are awesome. In this channel, I teach how to read and write. I make reading and writing fun and engaging. So please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload an amazing video like this, you'll be the first to see it. How to blend your three-letter sounds. In order for you to know how to blend your three-letter sound properly, you need to know how to sound your English alphabet A to Z. So check my previous video. You will get the video on how to sound the alphabet, and also a video on consonants and vowel sounds. And that will help to do this. So let's dive into today's video. Welcome once again. Blending three-letter sounds / words. I am going to use the CVC pattern. What is CVC? CVC simply means consonants, vowel, and consonants. Words that begin with consonants and end with consonants. We are dealing with three-letter words today. So we are starting with A. These are your consonants, and the one in between are your vowels. So the first one is back. B. A. G. Back. B. A. G. Back. Good job, you. K. A. T. Cat. Let's take it again. K. A. T. Cat. Great. A. Fan. A. Fan. Very good. G. A. Gap. Let's take it again. G. A. Gap. Good job, you. A. T. Hat. A. T. Hat. Awesome. J. A. Jam. Let's take it again. J. A. Jam. Great. A. Man. Let's take it again. A. Man. Good. E. A. Yam. Y. A. Yam. Good job, you. R. A. G. Rag. Let's take it again. R. A. G. Rag. Great. A. T. Mat. A. T. Mat. Awesome. T. A. Tap. T. A. Tap. Good. B. A. T. Bat. Let's take it again. B. A. T. Bat. Great. If you practice very well, you will get perfect, because practice makes perfect. I believe you can do it. I believe you are awesome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, because I know you got value from this video. Comment and share. Thank you once again. Bye.